Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an anchor to link to a specific section of your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, as you can see, I'm in the Wix website editor right here. Now, I want to add an anchor to this specific part of my page, which is the welcome page. What I can do is I can click on this add element. And then from in there, you can see the menu anchor and then the anchor right here. Now let's head over and add the specific anchor right here, just right above the section here. As you can see, it is been attached and we can name it welcome. So in here, we have now the welcome anchor. Now I can actually link this specific anchor right here to a specific part of our page. Like for example, we can click it on the name right here, and then click on this icon right here, which is the link icon. And then from in there, we can actually just head over and click on the section and anchor. Now click on this square on the page. We can see this section or anchor for our welcome. So just click on that, click on done. Now once you have clicked on the specific article all, you will be directed this welcome page that we have right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.